Hello everyone, you're in Endurance Laser Lab. In this video we'll do PLA plastic review. Let's start. So this is the first plastic we want to test. It's Esun white filament, and we already printed a box for our Endurance MO1 PC board. And now we're going to put an engraving on white surface using our 10 watt DPSS laser module that is installed over here. The wavelength of this laser is 1064, so it's near infrared. And let's see how this guy can engrave. Okay, we need to make sure that we're in focus. Okay, and it's burning. Okay, so the speed we use 200 and the maximum power 250. So let's engrave. Okay. Also, the surface is not perfect, but for this laser module, it's not very sensitive to the depth, and yeah, but let's see. Okay, also do not forget to wear protective goggles all the time you operate the laser. It's very important. And plastics actually stinks a little bit. Not bad, not as ABS, but also we suggest you to use a film extractor while you do this exercise. And yeah, let's see what we get at the end. Probably because it's not in perfect focus, it engraves not quite well. So also a problem of plastics quality. Okay, almost done. We tried with minimum power, like 10 or 15%, didn't work at all. I can show you our previous result. So it didn't work too, so it was just melting. But let's see what we get here. Okay. So same result. It's melting. So this one we tried to engrave endurancelasers.com, and you see it's just melting and not really engraving. So we don't see anything here. So next plastics we're going to try was sent by company called Arianeplast. So here is, you can check it out. So producer said that this plastics really works well for DPSS laser engraving. So this is our laser control board box, and let's engrave on this part. Okay, let's put it here. I need to be in focus. Let me show you a focus. Not sure that it's working. Sometimes it stops working. Just need to reconnect. Okay, you can hear the noise. Okay, looks good. Let's remove this part. Check it once again. Okay, yes, we're in focus. And let's engrave. So this time I make 20% power. Actually, intensity power is 10%, sorry. And the speed is 1000. Okay, let's start the process. As you see, letters look much better, and engraving is quite fast. So you'll see the result. So once again, the plastic is called Arianeplast. Okay, almost ready, almost finished, and the final dot. Okay, so let's see what we get. Okay, so it was our test here. So as you can see, the quality, engraving quality is quite good. I must say I'm quite happy with it. So very fast and very accurate. Let's see it from this perspective. So far so good. And the last but not the least is white plastics by ColorFabb. Also we got it for a review, and we printed out a few boxes here. If you compare these two plastics, they look like the same, but this is like has more blue color, this is like has more red. So let's see how we can engrave on this one. Let's use the same speed and the same parameters and same focus. Okay, so we don't do anything. Let's run. So as you can see from this angle, also engraving quality is quite good. So I can conclude that specialized plastics from ColorFabb and from Arianeplast, they're pretty good for laser marking using 1064 nanometer wavelengths. You can do quite accurate and quite fast engraving. Okay, let's see the result. So this is actually perfect. I must say that looks absolutely amazing. I really like it. Probably we'll do all markings on our next 3D printed boxes if we print it on these types of plastics. So hope that you like this video, and please share it with your friends. If you have any questions, you want us to make some tests, reviews, we're always open, and we are happy to provide more information about abilities of blue lasers with wavelengths 445 nanometers. And so we started to deliver these DPSS laser models with a maximum power of 10 watt, and a peak power is actually getting closer to 50 kilowatts. Pulse duration is something like 7 nanoseconds, so they're pretty good for laser marking of different types of metals I showed in my another videos. And as you can see, you can do perfect laser marking on PLA plastics. Bye bye.